Assalamualaikum. Hai semua. Hi everyone. Apa khabar? In the previous lesson, we have practiced natural conversation with the verb minum and makan. Check out the link for these in the description for those who haven't studied them. And in today's lesson, let's study some natural conversation using the verb cakap. The verb cakap could mean all of these in English: to talk, to speak, to say, to tell, to inform. There will be 4 simple dialogues between 2 people and they will be repeated 2 times. After that, you and I will be using these dialogues for practice. But before we proceed, as usual, jangan lupa tolong saya. Don't forget to help me to grow the channel by doing the following. Terima kasih sangat-sangat. Let's start with the first dialogue. Dialog pertama. Jom mula. Cakaplah, saya dengar ni. Cakaplah, saya dengar ni. Say it, I'm listening. Saya dah cakap 2 kali. Saya dah cakap 2 kali. I have said it 2 times. Cakap apa? Cakap apa? What did you say? Saya cakap saya lapar. Saya cakap saya lapar. I said I'm hungry. Jom ulang dialog pertama. Let's repeat the first dialogue. Cakaplah, saya dengar ni. Saya dah cakap 2 kali. Cakap apa? Saya cakap saya lapar. Cakaplah, saya dengar ni. Saya dah cakap 2 kali. Cakap apa? Saya cakap saya lapar. Now, let's do a role play. You and I will take turns saying these lines. You start first. Ready? 1, 2, 3, mula. Saya dah cakap 2 kali. Saya cakap saya lapar. Let's change the order. Now it's my turn to start. Ready? Mula. Cakaplah, saya dengar ni. Cakap apa? Bagus, good. Dialog kedua, second dialogue. Dah cakap dengan dia? Dah cakap dengan dia? Have you talked to him? Belum lagi. Belum lagi. Not yet. Habis tu bila nak cakap? Habis tu bila nak cakap? Then when will you talk to him? Besoklah. Besoklah. Tomorrow. Kenapa besok? Kenapa besok? Why tomorrow? Tak ada mood nak cakap hari ni. Tak ada mood nak cakap hari ni. I don't have the mood to speak with him today. Ulang dialog kedua. Repeat the second dialogue. Dah cakap dengan dia? Belum lagi. Habis tu bila nak cakap? Besoklah. Kenapa besok? Tak ada mood nak cakap hari ni. Dah cakap dengan dia? Belum lagi. Habis tu bila nak cakap? Besoklah. Kenapa besok? Tak ada mood nak cakap hari ni. Now let's do the role play. You start first. Ready? 1, 2, 3, mula. Belum lagi. Besoklah. Tak ada mood nak cakap hari ni. Let's change the order. Now it's my turn to start. Ready? Mula. Dah cakap dengan dia? Habis tu, bila nak cakap? Kenapa besok? Sangat bagus. Very good. Before we proceed with the third dialogue, just a quick announcement. To anyone who is interested to improve their Malay, especially conversational Malay, do sign up for my personal class. Those who sign up will get a free lifetime access to 100 useful Malay words and phrases video. Go to the link in the description or the link above, link 3/ilearnmalay, to check the class schedule and do the booking. See you in class. Now, let's see dialog ketiga, third dialogue. Nak cakap ke tak nak cakap? Nak cakap ke tak nak cakap? Should I say it or not? Nak cakap apa? Nak cakap apa? What do you want to say? Yang aku suka kat dia. Yang aku suka kat dia. That I like her. Cakap je lah. Cakap je lah. Just say it. Ulang dialog ketiga. Repeat the third dialogue. Nak cakap ke tak nak cakap? Nak cakap apa? Yang aku suka kat dia. Cakap je lah. Nak cakap ke tak nak cakap? Nak cakap apa? Yang aku suka kat dia. Cakap je lah. Now, let's practice. You start first. Ready? Mula. Nak cakap apa? Cakap je lah. Let's change the order. This time, I will start. Ready? Mula. Nak cakap ke tak nak cakap? Yang aku suka kat dia. Bagus? Good. Let's continue with our last dialogue. Dialog keempat. The fourth dialogue. Orang tu cakap apa kat awak? Orang tu cakap apa kat awak? What did that person tell you? Dia cakap saya cantik. Dia cakap saya cantik. He told me that I'm pretty. Habis tu awak balas apa kat dia? Habis tu awak balas apa kat dia? Then what did you reply to him? Saya cakap terima kasih. Saya cakap terima kasih. I told him thank you. Ulang dialog keempat. Repeat the fourth dialogue. Orang tu cakap apa kat awak? Dia cakap saya cantik. Habis tu, awak balas apa kat dia? Saya cakap terima kasih. Orang tu cakap apa kat awak? Dia cakap saya cantik. Habis tu, awak balas apa kat dia? Saya cakap terima kasih. Now, let's practice the dialogue. You will start first. Ready? Mula. Dia cakap saya cantik. Saya cakap terima kasih. Let's change the order. My turn to start. Ready? Mula. Orang tu cakap, apa kad awak? Habis tu awak balas apa kat dia? Well done, bagus. We have practiced 4 dialogues of natural conversational Malay related to the verb cakap. I hope you like this exercise. Do write me some comments so I know what to improve and what you want to know more about Malay language. Well, this ends our lesson for today. I hope everyone find it beneficial. Terima kasih and until next time, sampai jumpa lagi.